Hi Greg, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my left is an available 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS 580. Let's take a closer look. Inside the GLS, starting with the second row seats, you can see lots of legroom. It's very comfortable. You see the beginning of our beautiful 64 color ambient lighting throughout the car. Lots of space. We have a 4-zone climate control system for the front and rear. Executive nice trim package here gives us a very nice modern natural grain wood trim here in the back of the driver and passenger seats. That continues that wood trim along the door panel. So you have your Burmeister surround sound system, nice machined metal face speakers, heated second row seats, power second row seats, and you also have a power shade as well. So using your same window button, you can open and close the power shade. I'll put it up for you here so you can see just with the press of the button, the second row shade goes up very, very nicely. Panoramic roof up top, 2 big pieces of glass, really opens up the cabin, even for your rear passengers. There's a fabric cover as well. You can automatically extend, covers all the way down to the front of the vehicle. Lots of space, lots of room, really just the top line in terms of a luxury SUV. Let's take a closer look at the driver and passenger seats. Inside the GLS, we can take a closer look at the driver and passenger seat. Beautiful macchiato beige leather. We have a black upper dash, natural grain wood trim we saw in the rear of the vehicle, continuing across the front dashboard, center console, and door panels. Heated seats, ventilated seats, a heated steering wheel, heated and cooled cup holders, a slew of options. This is a warmth and comfort package vehicle, so that includes heated armrests and rapid heating front seats. A lot of options on this vehicle. Their main packages include the driver's assistance package with adaptive cruise control, lane and steering assist, and a lot of other safety features. We have the warmth and comfort package, acoustic comfort package, which is infrared glass and insulated cabin throughout the vehicle. We have soft closed doors, a heads-up display, a beautiful beige headliner, and like I said, a lot of very nice features. 2 12-inch displays here control your multimedia, navigation, your radio control, all done right through here. It's incredibly responsive. It's super easy to use, just like using your cell phone. Super quick and easy to navigate. Dual zone climate control. You'll see more ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. Adjustable air suspension, standard on the GLS. And then comfort features, things like your automatic wipers, automatic headlights, cruise control features, stuff you'd expect to have. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you. 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Spencer Rowe, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, 207-510-2253. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.